Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Can you guys confirm if my sound is good? And then we can hop in and check what's happening on the markets today. How's my sound, guys? Awesome doing. Let's hop in, drop some pairs, and let's see what we can find on the markets today. I'll be removing these watch lists from yesterday, and then we'll hop on and see what we can find. Okay, I see you want to check USD Swiss franc. What else? This AUDCAD position from yesterday was such a, I think this was sent on the premium channel. It was such a drag, and yeah, we lost, and it eventually dropped and tanked into our zone because we saw it push up from this zone getting into our, actually wait, I think this is where I made a mistake. No, this wasn't the loss. This was the one you had to confirm first. Why didn't I even see this? Okay, so basically we had price drop, and then it basically confirmed our position when it broke the zone over here. So now we do have to set up our entry point at this price points here, but now you can see this zone was broken, which basically invalidated the whole setup. And yeah, so we're definitely out of this position here. And then I see it wants us to look at the USD Swiss franc. Let's hop onto it. Awesome. Okay. Okay, I'm busy doing a number of things at the same time, but okay, there we go. So on the daily, we do see what's been happening in the USD Swiss franc. We had this massive bullish move, a drop, and then a BOS on top just now. So I think we are still good to focus on the bullish moves. We had this setup here, which we lost, and then now you can see price is basically pushing all the way up from that zone. Let's go drop down into the hourly. Okay, and then on the hourly, I'm not comfortable with these wicks over here. I'm usually never comfortable with them, and I usually avoid these type of moves, and also the structure is not really consistent. So I think I'd probably wait for a bit of a massive push before I decide to get in. And if you actually do drop down, let's see if you drop down to the 15 and the 30 and see what we can probably find. And don't forget to like, guys, don't forget to like. Okay, so on the 30, yeah, it's still not giving me clarity. We need clear price action, guys. Okay, so if you are going to be trading this setup, you probably want to also watch your spreads, by the way. And I mean, you really have to watch your spreads, because now we're going to probably be having a 4 pip, 3 pip stop loss. And that usually brings a lot of people getting wicked out, and that's not nice. Okay, so we have this setup here, and that's probably 1.6 pip stop loss, and this is based on the 15-minute structure. So this is one of those setups that now I can't even post it because by the time you do take a look at it, it'll be either gone or a totally different setup would have surfaced. So if you are watching this live on the stream, then you can definitely focus on this setup. There we go. And by the way, this is based on the 15-minute structure. So watch it and let's see how it plays out. And then dropping now to US 30. US 30, let's drop over, start at the daily, see where we are. Okay, something decent is coming up here. Something very decent. Okay, hop over to the 4 hour. I missed the setup, by the way. I totally missed it. I had the setup drawn up, but I never completed it. And you can see the price basically came back, picked up, and dropped from there. But yeah, we do see something beautiful coming up, even on the 4 hour. Yeah, I think I'll probably focus on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you'll find this happening here. And if you go deeper into price, and then you include that wick, of course. Check out the bootcamp, guys. I'll be teaching you guys how to basically trade all time zones, finding decent setups, and taking advantage of what the market has in store for us. So this is a setup I'd probably focus on the US 30 based on the 4 hour, and taking it from there. So I will post this one, US 30. Awesome. What else do you guys want to look at? I see it's only Dwayne who's active today. Okay, we've got 2 here. Let's take a look at gold. And then I'll just add on 1 more from my own analysis. Okay, looking at the 1 hour, we did have that BOS that I was telling you guys about. And then right now, we'll probably focus on this zone here. And I actually don't think I need to refine, because it's not really going to affect it much. But this is the zone that we'll probably focus on. Price never really got to our zone here at the bottom, which is still active. But this is what we're looking at currently for the day to see what price can do. And remember, this bottom one is also still active, so keep an eye on both. If you don't know what happened here, just watch yesterday's live stream and you'll see what we were looking at. So this is what we have so far for gold. And let's open that in the new tab. There we go, on the market. And I saw yesterday, I forgot his name, he wanted us to take a look at the EURUSD, and I see tapped into our zone. So I don't know how you guys managed to do that, but yeah, if you got it, beautiful. If you didn't, until next time. I see James McDonald wants us to look at GJ. Let's take a look at GJ. So I don't really pick which time zone I look at. I usually start at the top on the daily, try analyze what's happening on the daily, see where I'm most probably going to find some shocks, and then I start scrolling down from there. If I don't find anything on the 4, I'll hop into. If I don't find anything on the hourly, which is my preferred time frame, I'll go either to the 4 hour, and if I don't find anything there, I'll drop to the 30, the 15, and the 15 minute is usually live. Those I usually look at when I'm doing the London Open or the New York Open, and I seldom do them, but when I do post in the in our premium channel and the bootcamp, of course. Okay, so on the daily, we do have this massive range here, or not even a range, but there is a lot of liquidity that's just laying around here, which is why I had this alert here. So this setup is still valid on the 1554, on the 154231, 154476 on the daily. And then if you hop down onto the 4 hour, yeah, it's still this zone here that we're looking at, trying to see how that works out. And ideally, if you do want to get into this position, you'd want to focus on this zone, and if that zone does get validated, you'll probably want to enter your position at nice OB on this massive zone here, which will probably give you something along these ranges, and then your setup would look similar to this over here, going up to the top. And this is on the 4 hour, by the way, so let's open this as well, and then we'll have something along these ranges on the 4 hour. Okay, and then I'm just gonna open this in the new tab and then mark it, and then hop over to the hourly and see what the hourly has in store for us. So with the hourly, we do see something happening on the downside. So we'll probably want to see if that zone over here holds. So I'll probably want to see probably another move to the top and down, confirming a holding of that. And once we do get a validation, whatever happens in here where I can find an OB, I'll find a sell, and then we'll take it from there. So for now, on the hourly, I wouldn't recommend anything. It is bearish, of course. It just has to validate a bit of structure, show me that the zone can hold. The zone over here, and if it does hold, we will find wherever it turns and then drops from there, and then pick a nice entry zone from that level. So that's how I would approach GJ, and then that's about it for the day, guys. See, you guys haven't really posted much today. We did look at 4 pairs. I'll drop them on the free channel, and then I'll hop onto the premium and drop everything else. Check out our bootcamp, guys. Check out our Black Friday specials, and happy trading.